Hey, this is Tim. Back at you with this 2009 Jeep Wrangler. Has the airbag, driver airbag squib 2 circuit open. Driver airbag right here. I'm gonna have to pull this off. And you got a clock switch that's back behind here. They go bad. And the circuit's open in it. Let's get two of them. You got a B1B06 and a B1B02. So I'm gonna be pulling this off. Your airbag, you just you got 3. Hard to show you. I'll just show you the best I can here and there. You got 3 holes in the back. There's one there, and you got one here, and then you got one down here, but you can turn it. And you've got they're just like little metal clips in there. And you'll stick your screwdriver in there from the back. But the best you can do. I can't really tell you the best way for you, whichever way you think is the best for you. But you'll have to pop all 3 of them off, this come off, disconnect your airbag. Of course, be careful with an airbag, you know, it's an airbag. And then you'll have 3 bolts under here to take this off, and I'll show you what it looks like that in just a second. Okay, and once you get the clips off, it's gonna look like this. And I ain't gonna lie to you, them clips can be a pain in the butt if you don't know what you're doing. I make a kind of I use a pick and I bend it, and because you got to get behind there and just barely, you can't sit there and strain on it, push it hard or nothing like that. It's not going to do it. You got to just kind of push these just a little bit out like this, because they rest in there on that metal thing right there. And you just kind of go back with it like that, and then pry it. Work at it a little bit, you'll figure it out. Once you get one, you'll know how to get the rest. But it is a pain. So I'm gonna take the rest of this off here in a minute. T20. Lower your steering all the way down. You'll have 3 T20s. One right here, of course. And then you got 2 on the top here. Okay, on these, you have a Phillips head on this side and a Phillips head on that side. I already took the other side off. Let's take this side off here. Take these off. And of course you'll transplant them to the other one. That's it. I'll put it down here. This is a new one. Do not, I repeat, do not pull this out on the top here. Don't pull that out until you get it all done. Okay, that's it. That's how you do the clock spring and on the ABS on the Jeep Wrangler. This one's also got a upper front left satellite acceleration sensor, which I don't know if it's up here or it's up front, but I'll be looking for that. But anyway, that's how you do it. So that's the end of this video for this one. Thanks for watching. Yeah, come on.